Fresh 14 for the Pilipinas Aguilas. Chuck Cabinbin. Butatang inabot kay Onyanwa. Onyanwa against Adesina. Oma drops it down low. CJ maglupay na naman. Pana now to Etang. The floater. That one is good for Elaine Etang. Pick by Adesina. It's down to 7. Prado inside. Chuck Cabinbin out to Goitinco. 4 seconds remaining. And Trina Goitinco gets blocked by Onyanwa.
Kay Oma Onyanwa.
Lexi Pana top of the key. 3! Straight away! And that one is good. Dalawa na lang. And Ambos against Pana. Rachel Ambos! At hindi pa nananalo ang UST. Pero may agaw ba dito ang Pilipinas Aguilas? Trina Goitinco fought for it. And a foul. Onyanwa and Bien Ramos battling it out. Coach, eto nga sabi ni Rinoa, 'di ba kanina nung report niya, that loss can be the ignition for them para alam na ng both squads na kung sino yung mga gagawa sa kanila. Ngayon, kailangan natin ng X factors.
Going to be an easy fast break attempt para sa Aguilas.
Three-pointer won't go for Soriano. But 15 on their shot clock. Hapag against Soriano. Nadalawa dito. But still no props. Hits the bottom of the board.
Well, nice defense by UST.
Maglupay. Same spot. Different result. Fresh 14 for the Pilipinas Aguilas. Chuck Cabinbin. Butatang inabot kay Onyanwa. Now it's Elaine Etang. All the way.
You see the defense of Lexi Pana did not reach in. But just
Onyanwa against Adesina. Oma drops it down low. CJ maglupay na naman. That's her 4th. Pana now to Etang. The floater. That one is good for Elaine Etang.
How do you like that drive by Elaine?
Sok na rin dito. Pastrana. Bibigay sana kay Karel Sherba. Nakuha naman niya pero nasa mahirap na posisyon siya. But CJ maglupay. Pick by Adesina. It's down to 7. Prado inside.
Layog.
Three-pointer. It is in for Pescador. Timeout on the floor. Evo Performance Helmets. 3-point shot of the quarter. Ayesha Pescador draining that.
Why very laid-back atmosphere. Pretty sure her dad Ben is watching. Also her mom Heidi.
Dito si Lexi Pana. Elaine Etang. They have the numbers. Melody Kak. Back to Elaine. And that one is good.
Not want to see from your players.
Uratex monoblock. Bawal ang marupok. Power rebound of the quarter. Kems Adesina. Chuck Cabinbin out to Goitinco. 4 seconds remaining. And Trina Goitinco gets... Shot clock winding down. Elaine Etang out to Lexi Pana. Wide open! Bullseye for Lexi.
It's about discipline. It's something that you need to have. So that's something that we like to see para dito sa Ana.
Ekang Soriano, the team captain, using her left. Kanina yung first free throw is in for Onyanwa.
Steve, 3-point shooting, 20. Pero ito talagang sinasara ng UST para sa Aguilas yung inside scoring.
Ito hindi nasarahan. They go Nobs. Back to Melody. Inside they go. Mar Prado. What a pass.
We're not going her way. 3 out of 11 from the field. That's 27%. So medyo alat nga yung laro ni Oma Onyanwa ng Game 1.
Elaine Etang. And Nobs Ornopia rim running for that putback. Lexi Pana in transition. Melody Kak. Great
She took that three-pointer ngayon, finishing on the break, getting the deuce inside.
And Oma Onyanwa. Lexi on the move, naagawan ni Pastrana. And all alone is Karil Sherba. Touch.
About, their shot clock situation.
Wow, great pass and great cut inside by Rick.
That's always going to be something that you're going to remember, being the first. People always remember it to the defense, of course. No, alam natin, etong UST Growling Tigers is 10 out of 35. Sa kabila naman ng Aguilas, 12 out of...
Off to the right, ends up in the hands of Elaine Etang.
And that's crashing the boards for you. Great. Kay Oma Onyanwa.
Lexi Pana, top of the key, three! Straight away! And that one is good. Dalawa na lang.
The Chiefs also a shooter. She can knock down those threes. A chance to make it 4. She has 3 free throws coming off of that.
Yung free throws, it's a psychological thing.
Yes, if you see it fall inside that hoop, that could... Yeah, that was a good attack to the basket by Kent Pastrana. Just can't knock down those shots.
And Chaka Binbin using that.
Para dito for the Aguilas.
Onyanwa inside.
And that's
and Ambos against Pana. Rachel Ambos.
A challenge of Lexi Pana.
Bavin power play of the quarter. Rachel Ambos.
Both teams coming up blank. This is the 6th time down the court.
Lexi Pana changes that story. In quarter number 3 of game 2, Sherba transition 3.
A great pass. Kent Pastrana finding Karil Sherba.
5 na naman ang hinahabol dito ng Pilipinas Aguilas. Nothing but nylon for Cheska Apag.
Trading 3-point.
They go Karil Sherba. Karil steps back. Bullseye!
That's back-to-back 3-pointers, Karil.
It is again Evo Performance Helmets 3-point shot of the quarter. Cheska Apag from Pilipinas Aguilas. And on the side of UST, that step-back jumper from beyond the arc for Karil Sherba. And she goes back to Reliquete. Inside they go. Kent Pastrana! Basket and one. Kent Pastrana cutting down the lane. Absorbing the contact, the foul. Initially, they wanted to go back to Sherba. Pero na sa penalty na ang Pilipinas Aguilas. Guhitin ko. 44 seconds remaining here in the third. Chaka Binbin puts it up. Puts it in. Chaka Binbin. Nothing there. Chaka Binbin. Great pass from Kent Pastrana. Yun nga lang sumablay. Maglupay. Fighting for it. Kent Pastrana. That one is good. Eka Soriano, cross-court pass, Reliquete, now to Ambos, top of the key 3, bingo! At for Pastrana, Elaine Etang against 2. Elaine drives baseline, the floater, Elaine Etang, the jump! For Pilipinas Aguilas, okay lang, itong si Cheska Apag, meantime a 3-pointer, that one goes in for Lexi Pana!
She wasn't sure for Lexi Pana.
8-point lead for UST and Karil Sherba. Great recovery by Mar Prado. She lays it in, cutting the lead to just 8.
Making up for that.
They go Ambos to the cutting gin. Off the glass. Now to Rachel Ambos against Lexi. Off the glass. Kem sets the pick. They go Melody Kak, the extra pass. Elaine Etang from that left corner. Great pass inside. And Oma on. Be quick. 46 seconds remaining. Lexi gets fouled. First one is in. Po, at hindi pa nananalo ang UST. Pero may agaw ba dito ang Pilipinas Agilas? Trina Guitingco fought for it. And the foul is called. Trina Guitingco's down on the floor. So is Eka Soriano. Still down on the floor. And Trina Guitingco. Initially there was a foul called. So Trina Guitingco.
If you can recall, Trina Guitingco, she suffered an eye injury it was a long road for her.
Ayun yung mga contribution ni Trina Guitingco. Again, no stat sheet fireworks. Stat sheet, yun yung ibibigay niya.
Playing those passing lanes, getting those control taps or tapping it outside. She may not be able to cross.
Trina makes the first.
Creator, in case you did not know.
Also the second. 3-point penalty ang Pilipinas Agilas. They can play the foul game. Onianwa underneath.
And credit that to Kent Pastrana finding that opening.
Bigo Melody Kak. Butatang inabot kay Onianwa. And the USC Growling Tigresses have forced another game.
Charles, Coach Anton, kasama na nga natin ang Eurotech's most trusted player of the game, Rachel Ambos. Congratulations to you and congratulations to USC Growling Tigresses. Pag-usapan muna natin yung laro. Impressive performance for the team and everyone contributed for today's win.
Yes po, lahat po kami, it was all team effort po. Lahat po kami, hindi kami papayag na matatapos lang yung game na eto lang, dito lang kami, hanggang dito lang kami. Inunahan po namin sa positivity po. Doon po lahat nagsimula, lahat po ng approach ng team, lahat ng tinuro ng coaches, in-apply lang po namin. Kaya eto po yung result po ngayon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me